Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. First Rock Capital Holdings became the first company to list on the Jamaica Stock Exchange for 2020 today. The company, which raised about $13 million in its initial public offer, listed its Class A shares on the main market. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
First Rock Capital Holdings looking to invest in 3 new properties in the coming months and now equipped with the cash to get it done. The company currently owns 8 properties across 4 jurisdictions. Co-founder and CEO Ryan Reid highlighted some of the benefits the new shareholders can expect.
We wanted it to be efficient from an operational standpoint and a taxation standpoint. We wanted it to be the first to have a diversified set of assets in multiple jurisdictions. We wanted to be a first to be able to raise so much capital within 12 months. And we never knew that we'd be the first to list on the Jamaica Stock Exchange for this decade.
Last year, the company raised $2.5 billion through a private placement. That marked the largest equity raised by a new company in Caribbean history. Managing Director of the JSE Marlene Street Forest admitted that today's listing wasn't only a big milestone for the company. She explained that it has brought the stock exchange closer to its 2020 target.
The listing today really contribute to 10% of the target that we have to list for the year. So this is good. The total companies listed on the JC, and that's the companies, is 87. Now, we want to see that change so that at the end of the year, we can say that the total number of companies, not securities now, companies listed on the market is 100.
At the opening of this morning's trading session, First Rock shares were going for 12 US cents, which amounts to 16 Jamaican dollars 67 cents. First Rock plans to acquire a 3.4-acre property in St. Andrew and an office building in Virginia, United States. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Future energy source company FESCO is partnering with NCB Capital Markets to become the first listed fuel network on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The financial partnership will see NCB Capital Markets acting as lead broker and arranger for FESCO's upcoming initial public offer (IPO). FESCO plans to list the shares on the junior market. FESCO has also announced the development of a complex to house its headquarters in Kingston. The complex will include FESCO's first company-owned and operated service station. The JC Index gained 2,814 points today, while the Junior Market Index lost 49 points. Among the winners were Iron Rock Insurance, 138 Student Living, Sterling Investments, Stationery Office and Supplies, and Caribbean Cream. On the losing end were Margaritaville Turks, Lasco Manufacturing, ISP Financial Services, Express Catering, and Caribbean Producers Limited. The Bank of Jamaica has announced plans to roll out a number of virtual and e-payment initiatives this year. Deputy Governor of the BOJ, Natalie Haynes, made a disclosure at the Central Bank's quarterly press briefing yesterday.
We are also investigating, again, another thing on schedule for this year is the whole digital currency as it relates to the central bank, as well as we are launching a national payment switch. Expressions of interest have been posted on our website, and what that seeks to do is to have interoperability between all payment platforms for retail payments in the country. And in addition, we are going to be launching our FinTech Sandbox guidelines. So all that is happening this year.
And currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $140. The Canadian dollar is selling for $103.99. Sterling is being sold for $181.83, while the euro closed at $152.40. That's the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.